Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be unwrapping or unboxing an EP Auto Air cabin filter and installing it in my 2014 Toyota Sienna. So, here goes nothing. Looking pretty typical for an air cabin filter here. Okay, now for the tricky part, let's figure out how to install it. So, first thing you want to do is open up the glove compartment. Second thing you want to do is look for this thing on the right side of the glove box, which just simply pulls off. Disconnect that. Next thing you want to do is you want to squeeze the two sides of the glove box towards the center, allowing it to drop down. Next, what you want to do is you're going to notice that there's these two tabs on both sides of them. You want to push both of them together towards the center at the same time in order to remove the air cabin filter. Next, we pull out the actual air filter. And as you can see, I'm long overdue. I was not expecting to find it looking like this. Next up, I'm just going to open up the new air filter and slide that in. Next, we're just going to put the cap back on. Again, just like before, you're going to want to squeeze the two ends over here. Next up, if you remember, the first thing we did was detach this thing. Just gonna find that again, pull it out, and attach it to this. Just push it back on, and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you guys out. If anyone's confused by this wire, that's for my dash cam. It usually goes into the glove box and around it, and usually you don't see it. Thank you guys, and hope to see you next time.